Hey folks, welcome to my YouTube channel, and it's been very long since I have uploaded the project. Okay, so today we are going to explore a simple project which basically gives you this output. Where is it? Yeah, this one. So basically we are using Streamlit to upload create a table which basically gets the channel details of YouTube channels. Okay, so how we are going to do it, we will see it step by step. So let's hop on to VS Code. Okay, so now if you can see, I'm running this t.py. Okay, so let's go to the Jupyter notebook, in which I will explain you step by step the process. Okay, so to start with, we need few libraries pre-installed. Okay, and I request you people to have the folder structure in this format. So basically here, if you go to YouTube, if you can see the harvest, and these are the three files. Okay, and above which we have the virtual environment created. Okay, so have the folder structure in this format, and then you can open the folder in VS Code, and then what you can do is you can start installing the libraries after getting to or activating the environment. Okay, so to install these libraries, we need few libraries, that is Google API client, so basically connect to YouTube, and Mongo for connecting to MongoDB. Okay, and PysQL basically to connect to PG admin, that is PostgreSQL. Okay, and pandas, as you all know, for data frame, and Streamlit for you can define it as a web page also, where you can design a web page as you want. Okay, so basically hosting it on the localhost at the port 85001. Yeah, so let's start with the project. Okay, so before that, let me explain you what we are doing here. So basically what we are doing here is we are connecting to YouTube API using this API ID. Okay, and then what we are doing is we are entering the channel ID and getting the channel details, like title of the channel ID, its subscriber count, view count, video count, description, and the uploads. Okay, you can also get the other details like where is it, video info, okay, or comment info, and the playlist info, which I'm not covering in this video. Okay, so these things you can explore out. I will paste the code in my GitHub repo, and you can explore that things out. For now, what I'm doing here is I'm just posting the how you can scrap the YouTube channel data. Okay, the basic data. Okay, and the rest all things are similar, so you can do it yourself, write yourself. Okay, so that's the motive. Okay, so first things first, once you have this setup like this, okay, what you can do is you can go ahead and use these things. Okay, you can just take the screenshot of this, or you can start installing. So pip install Google API, Python client, pip install pymongo, and these things. Okay, so once you have these libraries, what you can do is you need to generate this API key. Okay, so to do that, you need to go to console.cloud.google.com. okay, and create one project there. Okay, and go to credentials. Okay, if you go to credentials, okay, if you can hover here, you can see here API and services, and API and services, you can go to credentials, and once you go to this page, you can create a credentials and create a API key. Okay, so I have already created this API key, and I have pasted it here. Okay, so for now it is visible. I will delete it later after I post this video. Okay, so that security. Okay, so once you connect to this API key, or you can run this part of code. Basically it establishes the connection with respect to the client. Okay, that is YouTube. Okay, next is how do we get the channel info. So we are writing function, basically get channel info, channel ID we are passing. So how we get the channel ID? So if you go to any YouTube channel, so this info, this is the YouTube channel hack to skill, which I have not included, as you can see to my, where is the page? Yeah, here you can see only 3 channels are there, and hack to skill is not there. Okay, that is a channel name. Okay, and so once you go here, if you can go here in that arrow and go at the bottom and share channel, you will get this copy channel ID. So once you copy this channel ID, you can use it here. Okay, so channel ID, and then request.youtube channel and list. So basically it goes to snippet, content details and statistics. So to understand this part of the code, you can go to this section. So basically it is developers.google.com and YouTube docs, you can say. So here you can see I'm inside this channels overview page, okay, and you can see what it can do. So basically it has the JSON structure, and if you can see I'm in the snippet. So if I go back to the code, you will see we are going through snippet, content details and statistics. So basically snippet, content details and the statistics part, okay. So what all things you get is for I in response of items. So basically whatever items we get from the channels, we are going to channel name snippet.title. So basically you can see here snippet.title, it basically gives the title of the YouTube channel, okay. And next is ID. So basically it directly gives the ID, okay, of YouTube channel. And next is subscriber count, okay. So basically where is the subscriber count, where was it, statistics to subscriber count, okay. So if you go to statistics, you will get view count, subscriber count and video count, okay. So those are the things, like you can explore the things out. And if you go at the bottom, they have explained it like what it will get. So kind, ID, okay, snippet, okay, snippet.title, the channel's title, okay. So you can explore these things out, okay. And if you go to playlist and inside that overview or comment sections or thumbnails, etc., you will get the details of what it is doing, okay. So this piece of code, basically it gets the details of ID, subscriber count, view count, video count, description, relay, uploads, okay. And these things we are putting it here. So basically you can see here channel name, channel ID, subscribers, views, total videos and channel description, okay, and the playlist ID, okay. And now if I go back to my code, okay, now I have copied the ID, right? If you can see, this is the new ID. What is happening here? String unterminated. Okay, I need to terminate this, okay. So this is the ID. Let's see if it can get the data, okay. So here you can see the channel name is data tech info, which I had run earlier, and now I have copied the ID here. So let's run this code and let's see if it can get us the details, okay. So here you can see it got the details, that is channel is hacked to skill, channel ID is this, subscribers are 5200. So if I go back to the here, you can see 5.2k subscribers, right, and 217 videos, okay, which basically I think where subscribers are this, and yeah, here you can see 217 are the videos, okay. So in this format you get the details of the channel, okay. And now I will not go to this part, that is get video info and other things, okay. And for now I will go to this part of code, like how we can connect it to MongoDB, okay. So to connect it to MongoDB, if you can go, where is my MongoDB, yeah, here. So I have logged into cloud.mongodb.com. You can also create the account here. If you can see, now I'm in the database part, okay. And if you want to create this string, that is to connect to MongoDB, what you can do is you can go to databases, okay, and you can go to connect, and then you can go to drivers, and now if you scroll down, you will get this connection string, okay. So just replace this password with your password, and this is your username, and then you can have it there, okay. And password don't have @ symbol in it, just have the normal password, else you will get the error, okay. So if you can go and see here, this is the password test123, okay, which also I will change it after uploading the video, so don't try to hack it, okay. So once you have this client via Mongo client and client YouTube data, so basically this YouTube data is the name of a DB, okay. So if you go to browse collections, this is the database, okay. And if you can see this, now there are only 1 out of 3 results, that means 3 channels are there, that is in the JSON format. If you expand this, you will see data tech info, and if you expand this, that is data science thumbnail, and if you expand this, this is tech info, okay. So if I go to my Streamlit, you will see these channels, okay. So this is the type of data, okay. And now if I go to the code, okay, what is happening here is we are connecting to this, and we are creating like client YouTube, and then channel dot get channel details, channel ID we are passing here, and get channel info, channel ID, and the channel details. Okay, so now what will happen here is, if I paste that ID there, that is which I copied recently, okay, and if I run this, it will upload it there. Okay, see, I got the message upload successful. So if I go here and if I just refresh this page, most probably I will get one more query result. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you can see 1 out of 4 results, right? So this is the channel info, that is hack to skill. Okay, so we have uploaded to MongoDB. So basically, yeah, it gets the info from above function and it uploads to MongoDB. Okay, so next thing is we need to have this in PostgreSQL. Okay, so for that what we need to do is we need to run this code. Okay, so basically first we need to establish the connection, that is localhost. Okay, before that, install the PostgreSQL pgadmin 4, and okay, and after that, if you go to YouTube data and if you go to properties, you will see parameters, not security, definition. Yeah, definition, where is it? Not here. In general, I think where it gets. Okay, let's be here, but somewhere you get the, okay, I think here PostgreSQL 16 connection. Yeah, so here once you go to PostgreSQL 16 and in connections, you will see the address, that is localhost, and the port is 5432, and the username is this. Okay, and also when you install this pgadmin, you will be asked for the password. So for now I have kept this password. Okay, so you need not worry about that. And also you can see I have given the name of the database, that is YouTube, and port I have mentioned it here. Okay, and then mydb.cursor, so drop table if exist channels. Okay, and then execute drop. So I'm dropping the table channels, and okay, then I'm trying to create the table with channel name, channel ID, subscribers, etc. Okay, and then I'm executing the query. Now what happens here is print channel tables already created. If okay, so next thing is it prints this statement once it is created. Okay, next thing is for I row in df.iterate rows. So basically once I run this, you will see hack to skill also. But if I go to my pgadmin, and if I go to my select star from channels, if I run this query again, okay, okay, it is saying connection lost. Let me run it again. Okay, it ran again. So here you can see there are only 3 channels, right? But now there are 4th one, like the 4th one we have added. So for that, let's execute this. Okay, so let's execute this and let's see if it gets loaded there. Okay, okay, it got executed. I think it won't come because, yeah, it came. Okay, anyway, so hack to skill and the other details got updated in pgadmin. Okay, so now the next part is we upload it in this. Now if I go to my final stage, that is in the web page kind of thing, if I refresh it, you will see hack to skill basically. Okay, so from pgadmin it takes the data. Okay, so if I go to my test.py, you will see it is pymongo client. Okay, for MongoDB it is taking. Okay, and it is taking channels. Okay, let's see one more thing. If we execute, okay, yeah, so here you can see that let's take another channel. Okay, let's take another channel. Okay, let's take another channel, so which has like less subscribers, 14.2. We need less subscribers, buddy. Techno, something like that. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so if I go to this channel and in this share channel, copy channel ID, yeah, shut up, buddy. Okay, and then what we wanted to do, okay, we wanted to post it there, right? Where is our mongo, yeah, here. So now if I do here, we are uploading to Mongo, right? And now let's see, refresh this, whether it takes it. Yeah, so basically it is taking from MongoDB. I thought it was taking from Postgre, but I was wrong. If I can see here, it is MongoDB. Okay, so whatever Streamlit web interface you are using here, it is basically taking your data from that channel. Okay, but to have this interface, that whatever sidebar we are having, right? So those things we can have it from with st.sidebar and this. Okay, since I'm running this, I think it is directly getting updated, because show channels table is basically taking the data from channel list, which we, okay, it is here only. Okay, basically this is the channel list. Okay, so if you see this, it is taking from here. Okay, and if you want to run this code, you will see that we are using here st.dataframe. So basically it is taking to that interface and it is forming a data frame there, and these are the sidebars, that is still take away Python scripting, etc. And this is the title that I have given. Okay, channel details table. So if you can see channel details table here, so if I change here something like just the details table, and if I control S, and if I go and refresh here, you will see details table. Okay, so in this way you can have this. The project is actually very big, and the thing is like you need to have the info of what you can say, the comment section, playlist, video info, and something like that. Okay, and it will have here like the broader picture here is where is this Streamlit? Okay, the broader picture here is you will have here a choosing symbol or a drop down, you can say, wherein you can select the channels and you can give the channel ID here, and when you channel ID, if you press on the channel ID, data will be uploaded here. Okay, or you can see that data itself. Okay, you can also have the drop down wherein you can get like video information, comment information, like that, playlist information, like that. Okay, and I think some questions were asked on this project, which can directly get the answer in this page itself. Okay, so this is like a simple project which I wanted to go through or get you through. So basically what we did here is like we have the code to connect to YouTube API, which gets in the YouTube channel info and gets us some details about the channels. Okay, and then what we are doing here is we are creating a MongoDB account, okay, wherein we are dumping the data of the YouTube. Okay, and from there it is getting to Streamlit. Okay, also we can have this data into pg admin as a database itself. Okay, so if you can see, we have 4 rows here now, right? And you can see your total videos, channel description, and other details. So you can query the things out in the future. Okay, so in this way, like you can have a clubbing of things like YouTube info, you can say. Okay, and have these things handy. Okay, so do work on these things and like try to explore out some other things also, and try to improvise this what you can say, this Streamlit interface, web interface. You can also see other things or explore other things in their doc site or documentation site, and try to do it like in a more interactive format. Okay, so hope you understood something from this video and liked something from this video. So if you want this code, just comment out in the comment section. Anyway, I'm going to post it on the GitHub for my understanding, or just keeping it the track. But yeah, if you want this code, okay, like a step-by-step code I have written here, so basically you will understand some things, at least some things. Okay, So when you try to do or work on some things, it is the time when you understand the things. Okay, if you just go through the code, you won't understand things. Okay, so work it out, because I was having trouble creating the virtual environment itself at the beginning, but then I sorted out, because sometimes it throws error. Okay, like library error. Okay, like that. Okay, so some issues you might face while setting up the things. The project looks easy, but it is not that easy, because you need to have many setups. Like you need to have the API key, you need to have MongoDB account, you need to have the PostgreSQL, you need to have the Streamlit. Okay, so many things clubbed together we are doing this project. Okay, so hope you will enjoy doing this project and learn some good things like the API, how API works, how web interface works, how pandas works, how Mongo works. Okay, also try to explore like this pg admin. Even I have not explored. This is the first time I installed this pg admin. Okay, and this is the first time I'm using MongoDB also. Okay, so try to explore things. Okay, and yeah, you will learn some things, and this will also add a plus point in your resume. And also, if you do this project successfully, post it on LinkedIn, you will get some reach out. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today, guys. Like, hope you learned something from this video, and if you have some doubts, then do comment it out. I will try to solve those. Okay, so hope you learned something from this video. Till then, okay, yeah, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, and till then, take care. Bye bye.